Circuit. A complete path through which electric current can flow. The circuit must be complete for the bulb to light. Voltage. The electrical potential difference that pushes current through a circuit. The battery provides 9 volts of voltage. Current. The flow of electric charge through a circuit. Current flows through the wire when the switch is closed. Resistance. The opposition to the flow of electric current. The resistor adds resistance to the circuit. Power. The rate at which electrical energy is used or transferred. The circuit consumes 10 watts of power. Resistor. A component that limits or controls the flow of current. I added a resistor to protect the LED. Capacitor. A component that stores electrical energy temporarily. The capacitor stores charge in the circuit. Diode. A component that allows current to flow mainly in one direction. The diode prevents reverse current. LED. A light-emitting diode that produces light when current flows through it. The LED turns on when the switch is pressed. Transistor. A semiconductor component used to switch or amplify electrical signals. The transistor controls the current to the motor. Switch. A device used to open or close an electrical circuit. Press the switch to turn on the light. Battery. A device that provides electrical energy to a circuit. The battery powers the small circuit. Wire. A conductor used to carry electrical current between components. Connects the battery to the motor with a wire. Conductor. Copper is a good electrical conductor. Insulator. A material that resists the flow of electric current. A reference point in a circuit that is usually connected to the electrical return path. Connects the circuit's ground to the battery's negative terminal. Breadboard. A board used to build and test circuits without soldering. We built the LED circuit on a breadboard. PCB. A printed circuit board used to mechanically support and electrically connect components. The components are mounted on a PCB. Solder. A metal alloy used to join electronic components and wires. Use solder to attach the wire to the connector. Transformer. A device that transfers electrical energy between circuits and changes voltage levels. The transformer reduces the voltage for the device. Relay. An electrically controlled switch used to control another circuit. The relay switches the motor on and off. Fuse. A safety component that breaks a circuit when excessive current flows. The fuse protects the circuit from overcurrent. Circuit breaker. A protective device that automatically interrupts excessive electrical current. The circuit breaker trips when there is an overload. Connector. A device used to join electrical wires or components. The connector attaches the battery to the circuit. Terminal. A point where an electrical connection is made. Connect the wire to the positive terminal. Socket. A component designed to hold or connect another electrical device or component. The chip fits into the socket on the PCB. Integrated circuit. A small electronic circuit containing many components on a single chip. The microcontroller is an integrated circuit. Microcontroller. A programmable chip that controls electronic devices and circuits. The microcontroller controls the sensors and LEDs. Sensor. A device that detects physical conditions and produces an electrical signal. The temperature sensor measures the room temperature. Oscillator. A circuit that generates a repeating electrical signal. The oscillator produces a regular clock signal. Amplifier. A circuit that increases the strength of an electrical signal. The amplifier increases the audio signal. Rectifier. A circuit that converts alternating current into direct current. The rectifier converts AC from the transformer into DC. Inverter. A circuit that converts direct current into alternating current. The inverter converts battery DC into AC power. Voltage regulator. A circuit that maintains a stable output voltage. The voltage regulator provides a steady 5 volts. Potentiometer. A variable resistor used to adjust voltage or control signals. Turn the potentiometer to adjust the LED brightness. Thermistor. A resistor whose resistance changes with temperature. The thermistor detects changes in temperature. LDR. A light-dependent resistor whose resistance changes with light intensity. The LDR turns on the outdoor light when it gets dark. Inductor. A component that stores energy in a magnetic field. The inductor helps filter unwanted electrical signals. Transformer. A device that changes AC voltage from one level to another. The transformer steps down the voltage. Oscilloscope. An instrument used to display and measure electrical signals. We used an oscilloscope to observe the waveform. Multimeter. A measuring instrument used to measure voltage, current, and resistance. Use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. Ammeter. An instrument used to measure electric current. The ammeter shows the current flowing through the circuit. Voltmeter. An instrument used to measure voltage between 2 points. The voltmeter measures the voltage across the resistor. Short circuit. An unintended low-resistance path that allows excessive current to flow. A short circuit can damage electronic components. Open circuit. A circuit with a broken path that prevents current from flowing. The broken wire created an open circuit. Series circuit. A circuit in which components are connected along a single current path. The bulbs are connected in a series circuit. Parallel circuit. A circuit in which components are connected across multiple current paths. The household lights are connected in parallel circuits. Logic gate. An electronic circuit that performs a logical operation on input signals. An AND gate produces an output only when both inputs are active. Breadboard power supply. A device that provides controlled electrical power to a breadboard circuit. We used a breadboard power supply to provide 5 volts. Schematic. A diagram that represents the connections and components of a circuit. The engineer drew a schematic before building the circuit.